Let's go food shopping in Canada with $100.
What's up everybody, welcome to my channel where we don't do and think like the average person out there. So in this video today we're going to be doing things a little bit different. So actually I just finished recording a video in personal finance which I'll be posting later on this week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. So I'm just going to be doing a quick little shopping, so follow me on the journey.
So let's see how the financially literate actually spend some money. Let me know if I'm cheap, let me know if I'm a minimalist, let me know if I went overboard. So I'm actually on my way now walking to the little grocery store because I'm in rural Canada, and from where I live I can walk. It doesn't take me more than 10 minutes. I have less than that. I've not really calculated it, but when I'm going back home I'm going to time it and see how long it takes. Sometimes I feel like, a little outlier, but who cares? Because guess what? I'm the only one who walks. I don't see anyone who walks in this place. And I can tell you, like, where I'm at, like, to get to the next town, there is no Uber. Like, it literally took me like 4 hours to get a Uber one day just to go in the town, right? And with a system like that, you have to have a car. But what if you don't what if you don't want a car? Right? So that because right now I've gotten so used to not driving, like I don't need a car again. But I mean, I know when the winter time is here, that's when you definitely need a car. One thing I like still, like when you're up on your road and a car is coming close to you, they almost take the opposite side of the road. Unlike Jamaica, where says like they want to lick you down on your road. So we're gonna see what $50 Canadian can get us in fruits. And I mean, a lot of folks will always like compare Jamaica to Canada, but guess what? There will always be a big trade-off when it comes down to fruit, because when you import stuff from Jamaica, like say June plum, right? It's gonna be more expensive. But when you import things in Jamaica like grape, then it's going to be expensive in Jamaica. So there's a trade-off in that regards in terms of which one is more expensive. So like buying Jamaican fruits in Canada is going to be like buying imported fruits in Jamaica. So my first stop is going to be at the drugstore.
At this point I was really figuring out which house to get because these people have so many varieties, but then I ended up selecting one which looked familiar. So now it's time to check out. My bill came to $26.84.
Let's grab some bananas. So right now I'm just gonna grab some bananas.
So actually I had to switch my basket because this was so difficult to use the phone at the same time.
The first stop is right at the section. So the first thing I'm going to grab is a pineapple, $4.99 each, and strawberry. These you have to check the bottom of these sometime to ensure that they are good. This one is really good, so I don't have to go through the bunch. I haven't had those in a long while. Those are what, some pears, nectarines, peach. I don't experiment, so I'm going to look past those. Now this is my favorite spot, the grape stop. And I have to stop, test it and ensure that the ones that I'm picking up are really good. Tasting another bag. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that one right there.
So the last time I purchased some green apple, I don't remember the name, so I was trying to figure out if this golden one I'm looking at was the same thing. It tasted a little bit like the American pear. So that's what I was trying to figure out right there.
I'm going to grab some apples as well. So it's $2.99 per pound. And this is just a little top up because there's no fruits at home right now. And this is pretty much a small grocery store that's in the town where I'm living right now. So I'm just gonna grab some apples. Like, these are my favorite apples. They are really good. So this should do. And with these I normally get like 6, or normally I get like 4 when I'm buying in Jamaica. The pineapple stays the same. The grape is just about the same. The only thing I wouldn't purchase here is the strawberry because like strawberry price is like really out of whack.
So at this point I was going to my favorite section in this store. Can you guess what it is?
And I'm looking for it and I can't find it. I'm looking for like gummy bears. Like whenever I come here I can't find gummy bears for some reason. Like it's so hard to get gummy bears in this store, man. Like whenever I come to this place and don't find no gummy bear, I get depressed. And I'm checking the other section if I get any. Yep, here we go. This is my favorite stuff, so I'm gonna get 2 of this. If you want to make me happy, just buy me grapes and some of them. And I thought I was done shopping, so I actually went back to get another grape. And now I'm going to get a Black Forest cake. So let's see how much that comes to. 2? Yeah. So my total is $52.78.
Is it debit?
Credit. Right now, we have a 2 big PNP bag. I go walk home.
Now I just got home and this is what's left of the bag of grape. I know I'm terrible bad when I come on to grapes still in I swear to God.
So this is pretty much what $4 got me. Let me know how much it would cost you wherever you're watching from. Can't leave the goodies in at all, I see it. Can't go shopping and leave this and leave this. Can't work.